Hey everybody, welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an app for the Android device for you called MetaTrader 5. This is going to be a great application for anybody wanting to look at the numbers for different exchange rates and things like that. So you see here on the main section of the application we have four areas: our quotes, our charts, our trade, and our history. Now here on our quotes we can have different areas set in here. You can see we have such things as Australian versus Canadian dollars, as well as Australian down here versus USD, and all the highs and lows in different areas here. Now if we ever want to, we can come in here into our settings. You can see we can have these different areas such as new order, symbols, adjust our accounts or our settings for our application. And our symbols here, we can add in different symbols. All we have to do is press this plus button, go into the area where we would like to view one. Maybe we want to view some metals for some silver and some gold, and add those in there. So once we come back into the first part of the application, we're going to be able to see those are now going to be added, and we can view the highs and lows for those. And these are going to be updated regularly for us. Now we can view all this information on charts here. So you see we have a bar chart here. We can come in, we can zoom in if we'd like to view more precise areas. You see they're all on timelines. We can view the M1, the M5, M15, M30, as well as the H1, the H4, and the D1, and view all this information. Now here we can come into our trades and view any profits that we've made, some balance, equity, margin, and free margins if we have any open orders or open positions. And we can come in here and start a new order if we'd like to. You can see here this one will be the Australian versus the Canadian dollar. We have instant execution, or we can change that to maybe a buy limit or sell limit, a buy stop, all these different areas. And we can change the volume if we'd like to as well, and change all these. We would start our stop loss and take profit, as well as the deviation, and we could change some of these other areas to match what we need. And then we could either hit sell or buy and use these different areas for our open orders. So that's going to be really convenient for us to be able to do in here. We can also come back into our main section of the application and view those on history or anything like that if we have those open, if we've done any of those. And we can change it between orders and deals if we need to see our deposit or profit or our balance, and change the timeline for viewing all of that, whether it's today, last week, last month, the last 3 months, or a custom date range. We can also come in here into our settings once again, turn on our advanced mode so we can view quote windows containing spreads, time data, as well as high and low prices. We can even change our chart type between a bar chart, a candlestick, and a line chart if we needed to as well. We can show volumes and show trade levels on and off. So if we were to come back into our charts and view all that information, if we wanted to change it, we could. We can even have more of an advanced view for these. So once again, this application is available for the Android device. It is called MetaTrader 5. If you like it, be sure to pick it up in the App Store.